This video will take you through English actions used in everyday conversations. I'm walking to the station. Let's go for a walk. Walk with me. Walk used in English phrases. A walk in the park means that the job was easy. That was a walk in the park. Walk the talk means to lead by example. Don't talk the talk if you can't walk the walk. All walks of life means that different people come from different backgrounds. They came from all walks of life. Walking on eggshells means being careful not to upset others. I always feel like I'm walking on eggshells. Walk all over someone. To treat someone badly, she walks all over him. Walk away means to leave a difficult situation. I decided to walk away. Jump. The long jump. That noise made me jump. She jumped to her feet. Jump used in English phrases. Jump to means to move to a new topic or to make an error. Don't jump to conclusions. Jump through hoops means to do a lot of unnecessary work. We jumped through hoops to get this done. Jump for joy means to be extremely happy or excited. That win had me jumping for joy. Jump at the chance means to accept an offer quickly and eagerly. I jumped at the chance to work there. Eat. I have eaten a lot. Have you eaten? What would you like to eat? Eat used in English phrases. Eat out means to eat at a restaurant. Eat in means to eat at home. Eat up means to finish the food on your plate. And grab a bite to eat means to get some takeaway. Eat your words means to admit that something you said was wrong. He had to eat his words. What's eating you? A question that you ask someone who is upset. What's bothering them? Sleep. I sleep 8 hours a night. I haven't slept all night. The baby is asleep. Sleep used in English phrases. Sleep in means to oversleep. Sleep on it means to think about it tomorrow. Sleep over is to stay over at someone else's house. At 40 wings means to have a nap or a short sleep. Sleep like a log, sleep like a baby, to have a deep sleep and feel refreshed upon waking. School schemers, like, share and subscribe.